WinTax offers a full database with file handling facilities for saving and retrieving all the data you capture in WinTax. If we look at the File menu, you can see WinTax allows you to backup and restore data and to import data from the previous tax year. Using WinTax is similar to completing a tax return form. You can access the various screens for entering personal details, income, deductions, etc. by using the Edit Input option on the normal menu, or you can use these icons on the icon toolbar to open the screens and enter data. For example, clicking on this icon of the couple in black will open the personal details screen where we can enter names, tax numbers, dates of birth, etc. And there's more details you can enter here. Clicking on the INC icon will open the income screen. This part of the income screen is where you may enter amounts on IRP5s. The Add button at the bottom of the screen allows you to enter as many IRP5s as needed. The Lump Sum Extra Details screen down at the bottom here allows you to enter lump sums, and it caters for lump sums received under different circumstances, including multiple lump sums received. WinTax caters for taxable and for tax-free accounts. The Itemize buttons open a grid, allowing you to enter an unlimited number of lines where you can list as many accounts details as you wish. WinTax makes extensive use of these handy itemizing grids. WinTax caters for foreign income, applies the taxable amount of foreign dividends earned, calculates the 6 squat amounts and the forfeited amounts, etc. Other income such as net income from SA dividends, rates income, etc. is catered for. If we open the CGT calculator, here you can enter info from a certificate from a fund showing the base cost, proceeds and gains or loss from share disposals, etc. Or you can use the calculator to work out the gain on disposals of second properties, other assets, primary residence, etc. The calculator allows you to choose between time apportioned base cost, appraised value, or the 80% 20% method. You may add and process as many CGT calculations for a taxpayer as required. This tab on the income screen opens the local business, trade, professional income, etc., where you can add as many business entities as you wish. Clicking on the DED icon will open the deduction screen. You can enter out-of-pocket medical expenses here, and you can itemize them. And if you click on this button here, we can open the medical tax credit claims screen. You can enter medical aid fund beneficiaries and medical aid fund contributions, and WinTax will calculate the medical tax credits for you. This tab will open the retirement fund contributions screen. Employed taxpayers will have the retirement fund contribution amounts automatically transferred here from the IRP5 screen, or you can enter the amounts here yourself for self-employed, etc. taxpayers. Video lectures will explain exactly how WinTax calculates the allowable deduction claim for retirement fund contributions. The travel claim calculator works out claims for all your cars, whether you receive a travel allowance or if you just want to claim travel expenses. You can also enter all other allowable deductions. This screen allows you to calculate the deduction allowed against the fringe benefit levied for having the full use of a company car. The auto summary screen allows all the bottom line amounts that change when you change any of the amounts in the WinTax program, and you can drag this screen anywhere on the WinTax screen. The provisional tax estimate screen allows you to do provisional tax estimates for all periods on the same page on the screen. The medical tax credit calculator automatically calculates the medical tax credits for you for use in the provisional tax estimates. WinTax offers a variety of reports that can be viewed on the screen, printed to the printer, or exported to a word processor, for example, for editing before printing or attaching to an email. The EMP10 option allows the user to check pay-as-you-earn UIF, SDL and tax credits on payslips for taxpayers paid daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, etc. Partial periods and bonus payments are all catered for, as well as the allowable retirement fund deduction amount. The side tax calculations menu handles calculations that have got something to do with tax but do not affect the assessment directly. For example, here's the retirement fund advantage calculator. This calculator is designed to show the maximum claim allowed for retirement fund contributions. There's on-screen help, copious help. Yeah, just scroll through it, telling you exactly how the formulas work. We've got videos online as well explaining exactly how this all works. But in this example, you can see here we've entered remuneration, excluding capital gains of 700,000, taxable income including capital gains. We propose that we're going to pay 15,000 Rand a month into a retirement annuity. The calculator shows us that our saving will be 41%. The taxpayer will be getting 180,000 Rand a year retirement annuity at the end of the day, and he'll only be paying 106,000 for that. We also have financial tools calculations varying from unit trusts, inflation, loans, offshore versus local investments, nominal to effective, real rate of return, etc.